Desserts are more than just food, they are the grand finale of any gathering. But writing a full dessert recipe roundup, that can take longer than actually baking them. In 2025, I let autoblogging.ai handle all my blogs. I'll show you how. See this blog with writing, the formatting, SEO, it was all written in under 3 minutes and I did not write a single word myself. I'll show you how I did this using autoblogging.ai. Inside your dashboard, there are three different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because this is where we tell the AI exactly what we want step by step. Article title, I'm going to type here 7 decadent dessert recipe that will wow your guest. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but autoblogging supports 30 languages. So if your audience is in Paris or Tokyo, you can still vote them with your dessert blog. For the length, I'm going to keep it medium because it has enough room for mouth-watering description without turning into a cookbook. Short is great for a quick tip and long is perfect for in-depth, detailed guidance. For the type of the article, I'm going to pick listicle here because each dessert gets its own section with images and details. Informative will explain a single technique like tempering chocolates. Example. Places is great for local bakery roundups, and service bar landing pages is ideal for promoting baking classes or catering. For the tone, I'm going to pick second person here so it directly talks to the reader. First person is more of your own story and third person is more neutral and editorial style. I'm going to pick conversational here because it keeps warm and inviting and also has a friendly approach. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intents optimized article helps you rank for the dessert related keywords. FAQs will add relevant questions that people are actually Googling at the end of your blog. AI images will add mouth-watering dessert visuals and infographics will add ingredient swaps or a prep timeline in a diagram form. Next, SERP analysis. Now here's where autoblogging really earns its sugar. It actually looks at the dessert blogs which are already winning on Google, sees how they are structured, what section they use, even how they mix visuals with text. And then it builds your article using those proven patterns. Now you just have to enable this and in the source context box, quickly add a note like how you want your article to be. And in the SERP location, you can select the country where you need to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition copies the winning structure from top ranking blocks, so you follow the same proven flow which is already ranking. External link will add links to trusted sources to boost credibility. YouTube videos will add relevant baking videos in your blog. Key takeaway will add a quick summary for readers and Google snippet. Next, AI proofreading, just enable this and quickly leave a note here so it makes sure that your blog is ready and is as smooth as custard. Internal linking, now if you have other food or baking blogs, just enable this and paste your domain here. The system will automatically link those points inside your new dessert roundups so your readers stay longer and explore more on your site. Next, human proofreading. Now if you want a professional editor to check for clarity, consistency or even tweak the recipe, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. For this you will need a human proofreading credits which you can purchase anytime from our dashboard. Now hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and click on the view like icon here. Your dessert roundup is done with SEO ready, and if you want to be quicker next time you can always use this option. Go on to quick and single mode and enter your article title here, and just with a fewer clicks you can generate your article. It is just as same as Wizard, and if you want to generate 10, 20 or even 100 articles at once, you can always use our bulk generate option which you can auto post to WordPress directly. Great deserts leave a lasting impression, and so should your content. With autoblogging.ai, you can turn a craving into a publishable, search ready blog in minutes. And if you're busy running your business or working on your next big project, you can try our Done For You blog service where we'll create and optimize the entire blog for you. If this video helped, hit a like and subscribe for more AI powered blogging tips.